Long time no see, everyone. It's your old Major Cargon back at it again. This time with a bit of a sunset situation where I'm in, I'm out. I'm in, I'm out. But yeah, it's a Japanese thrift unboxing. As always, if you're enjoying the content, don't forget to like and subscribe, and comments are very, very much appreciated. Let's get to it. So today we are fighting against the clock as light is running out. But this is something where I actually found a couple of pieces that are to replace current pieces. Sneaky, sneaky. So hopefully they do actually fit as they were supposed to. It's been a lot of fun putting up things that I've found and talking to people who are interested in buying them. And so I don't know, it's been a fun little project, and I guess we'll see where that goes. But for now, having a cute little time with y'all, and let's keep it up. Ah, delicious. Okay, so no shoes today, no shoes. 9 shoes, not shoes. Ugh. Okay, how are we doing this? I suppose let's go with these. We'll go with the tops. Yeah. So, first of all we have, it is a Yohji Yamamoto site long shirt. Now the price of this was actually excellent, and I had been looking for a long shirt. I did get that linen one in the other day that ended up being very, very big. This one is 100% tencel, which is a really nice, soft fabric. Natural fabric. My Junji Ito long shirt is made out of tencel. So let's have a look and see how this fits. Oh, this is nice. Can button it up all the way, no problem too. The slits in the side means access to pockets. Yeah, this is cool. I really like this. This is kind of exactly what I was looking for. Something, it is very, very long. I don't know how I can show how long it is. It is very, very long, as you can see. But the slits in the side are really, really ideal. I like it quite a lot, actually. It's going to be lovely in the warmer months. And I can also wear it open too, so you got some options there. Okay, I'm having so many camera issues, but we're in a rush here. We're in a rush. It'll have to do. We are running out of light. Okay, next up is this mainline Yohji. As you can see, put on. It is a coat, but it looks like such a thin coat. It was a really, really great price as well. From the same seller, actually. So let me see if I can find the doodad. So this is 100% cotton in a size 3, as you can see there. It's definitely a coat type beat because of like the lapels, because of the neck. I don't know. It is definitely a coat. It's definitely a coat. You'll see. I'll put it up. Ah, that detergent smell. So this is it on. It is slightly longer than the long shirt, and we've got pockets too. That is some sweet coat action. This is a good different option to the tencel trench coat that I had from a few weeks ago. But this is cool. Fits really, really nicely. I want to look it up as well because it didn't have the product code on the post, but I jumped on it because the size was right and the price was really good too, and I didn't want to risk it like disappearing off into the ether if I didn't do anything about it. So here we are. Yeah, I love this. This is so cool. So cool. Okay, next pieces. We'll go the one that isn't actually wrapped up or anything. So this was a weird post that came up at a very odd time of the night with not a lot of information, but the pants I recognize. They're Yohji's site. I'll see if I can find here we go. These are a polyester rayon polyurethane blend. That's a new one for me. I haven't seen that one before. In a size 3. And these are some pretty wild pants with these strings all around. And down towards the bottom of the hems, this is buttoned in. So you can open this as well. I guess it's like a cargo pocket. A very, very low cargo pocket. And then also has strings at the bottom of each hem to cinch them too. So let's try these on. I'm going to switch the top out so you can actually see them a bit better. There's so much going on. Look at how wide these are as well. Holy moly. I don't quite know how you're supposed to wear these. Because the cord cinches them, but then the front just looks like this. There's no like button across. I'm doing something wrong here. I genuinely have no idea how to do this, but let's angle a bit down. These are wild. Look at this. These feel like hectic raver pants. Like so baggy. So I suppose these tabs can be used to like cinch. I guess adjust the silhouette as you can see on this one. So they can kind of look like this. Jeez, these are wild. I have no idea how to make them fit properly, but they are cool though. I feel like just a cord is not enough, but cool pants. You could live in these. You could live in these. All right, next up. These are another pair of bottoms. These are Yohji Black Scandal. 100% cotton in a size 2. So these are some Yohji double Yamamoto pants. As you can see, there's like the double knee just here. You can see like the little covering and how it goes over. Got a nice little tag. These are made of ripstop. Interestingly, I want to do a video on them because like the way and the place these are produced down in Okayama, which is really, really famous for making jeans. These were made there. And yeah, the fact that they're ripstop, so they're really durable too. Let's try them on. I'm not sure if these are going to fit properly. Especially compared to these that are just like the biggest pants that look so silly. They're just so big. So a lot of the websites said that size 2 was going to be like a small or a medium. But when I looked at the actual dimensions, it was just like maybe like 2 to 3 centimeters difference across them all. And they have an elastic waistband, but these fit fine. A pretty standard pant, but nice and comfy. Ripstop as well. I think this is like one of the most standard pants I've picked up in such a long time, but easy going and be good to like wear on shoots or things where I know that, you know, might get a little bit rough and you don't want to destroy something a bit nicer. Can wear these. But what a steal though. These retailed for like $700 US, potentially higher. Actually cool. Real cool. Awesome. I'm stoked with these. If only like the double knee part was like a little pocket, but I guess it wouldn't be as reinforced then if you could just put stuff in it. Okay, final piece. Now, occasionally when you're sort of out there and like looking at pieces, something comes up that you're like, oh, I really need to jump in on that. And this was no exception. I already have a pair of these, but so these are the Craig Green track shorts. Yes, I already have them. But I have them in an M and this is an L. But what's weird is this must be from a different season because the material feels different. It has an actual size tag as well as a brand tag, which the other ones is just this black tag here that says M, which then has this black cover over the top. And I don't know if you're going to be able to tell the difference, but they're not the same material. The ones I currently had at the top, these are the new ones down the bottom. They're like, these ones feel softer and lighter. Not in a bad way, they just feel, it's a different material. How curious. I didn't know these came in different materials. I also don't really know Craig Green. So the main thing was that the ones that I do have in an M They do fit me, but they do really, really eat into my hips and give me quite the muffin top when I'm wearing them. And that's fine, but it would be real cool to have something that's a bit more comfortable, and finding these at a really, really decent price and in a size up, I really just want to give it a go. Okay, so this is a much, much nicer on my waist. Still a little bit tight, but not as much as the M's. Material definitely does feel different too. But geez, these pants are so cool. Like the multiple layers and flaps all over them. So, so nice. They also feel a bit longer for some reason, but I'm happy with them. The price was great. It's like it's like these are the more summer version, because they are just that much lighter and easier to go with. I think the other ones have a more premium feeling fabric. Oh, these are a bit dirty too. I wonder if I can spot clean them. But yeah, the other ones do feel like they're a more premium fabric. So they're a little stressful to kind of wear out anywhere that isn't something where you're supposed to be dressed up, but we'll see. Wow. Cool haul. The pants, yeah, they're going to be fun to style. The wide ones, I have no idea what I'm going to do with those. But I do love the long shirt and the coat as well. So yeah, what was your favorite piece? I look forward to getting these styled and see how we do as well. Pretty stoked on this one. I think there's nothing that I'm really keeping an eye out for from here. You know, I say that every time, but we'll see what happens. But you'll take care of yourselves, have fun, be safe. And as always, don't do anything I'd do. Catch you next time. Bye-bye.